What's up, guys? Your boy BG here coming at you. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well and that you're having an awesome Thursday like I am. So I went to a Target today, guys, and I scored big time. I've never been lucky 2 weeks in a row. Just wait till you see what I found, guys. So without further ado, let's get started. The first one up is this awesome 1955 Chevy Stepside. So this comes in a very nice matte black 5-spoke chrome wheels. It says Benz Auto Repair on the doors. Check out the front detail there. Check out the headlight, chrome grille detail, and the chrome bumper. Very, very cool. Now let's move on to this awesome Corvette C6. This is from the new Walmart exclusive series. I'm not too sure what the name of this series is, but it is a set of 10. And here are all the cars that come in the set. Feel free to pause the video so that you could check them out if you'd like. So pretty cool. Hopefully I find all the others. Very cool. I also found this awesome 49 Merc. Very cool. Really dig the white interior. I really dig the tempo work on this casting. Very cool. Check this out, guys. It even has some pretty cool details on the front, especially the headlights. Check out the nice chrome grille and the chrome bumper. Very, very cool. Next one up is this awesome 67 Pontiac GTO. This thing is sick, man. Check out that black interior. Check out the 5-spoke rims in chrome as well. Very, very cool. See, I also found this awesome 69 Camaro convertible. Very cool. Check out that black interior. The wheels are okay. I'm really considering doing a wheel swap. As a matter of fact, I am gonna swap them out for sure. Very cool. I also found this awesome Mustang. This is a 65 Ford Mustang convertible. Very, very cool. Check out that white interior. Check out the double racing stripes on the hood and on the trunk. Very cool, man. All right. I also found this awesome 2017 Nissan GT-R R35. And this is a Kroger exclusive, guys. This is the one that everyone is after. I believe I showed you 3 Kroger exclusives last time. So this is the one I was missing. So this thing is sick, guys. Very, very cool. Got some nice details on the back. Let's check out the front. Yeah, this thing is clean, man. Very, very cool. All right, guys. So I also picked up another 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7. Very cool. Check out the 5-spoke rims in white. It's got a lot of detail on the back, black interior, and it's got some very cool detail on the front as well. In this case, the headlights, they're electric, so you know it's got some pretty cool detail on the front as well. Very cool. I also picked up another custom 70 Honda N600. Check out the detail on this casting, guys. Very, very cool. Very, very nice casting, man. I also found this awesome 1970 Dodge Power Wagon. And as you can see, guys, it's a red edition. Very, very cool. This thing is sweet, man. I'm not too crazy about the mud tires. I wish they were black, but you know, it's okay. It's an easy fix. So, pretty cool. I also found this awesome, cool combi Target Red Edition. Check that out, guys. This thing is sweet, man. Very, very cool. These are hard to find, I'll tell you that, man. Awesome. I finally found this Hot Wheels Chase ID 1969 Copo Camaro with the Falcon decals. Check this out, guys. I love this thing. Comes with a nice Spectraflame paint. It has some cool 5-spoke chrome wheels. Check out the detail on this, man. This thing is sweet. It does lack some detail on the taillights, but you know, that's an easy fix. No worries there. Lacks a little detail on the headlights as well, but again, it's an easy fix. So I'm very stoked that I found this. All right, guys, are you ready for the last one? Bang, guys. This is the 2018 Honda Civic Type R Super Treasure Hunt. Man, I'm stoked about this one. I'm telling you guys, I've never found a Super 2 weeks in a row. I've never been this lucky, man. So I'm very, very stoked about this, man. Check out the HKS tampos. Pretty cool. It's got the TH right there. I am so stoked, man. Honestly, I did not think I was gonna find this. So that's what happens when you just have faith, go to a store, and sometimes you get lucky, you find them, sometimes you don't. You know, if you find them, great. If you don't, just be happy with what you find. Have fun with the hobby. There's no need to get upset if you don't find supers. All right, guys, so this concludes the video. Please let me know which one of these is your favorite. You guys take care, God bless, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.